Okay, just showing you a little bit of our snowstorm here. As you see, the car's already got snow on it. And today is Veterans Day 2019, Greenville, Ohio. And looks like it's starting to stick a little bit. And that's my neighbor's ramp. Looks like it's getting snow on it too, so it might get icy and stuff. Oh, it's got, no, that's a great idea or not, but anyway, that's from the front of the house. Yeah, as you can see, the snow is just starting to fall. So we're going to take you to the back of the house. And here's the back of the house. Oh, look at those birds go flying here. And you can see a lot of the leaves are gone from the tree already. And the snow is starting to stick, but it's not like something you can go out there and have snowball fights or build a snowman or anything. I'm expecting the snow to come later tonight, but it looks like it has already started. Anyway, I don't know if you can see the birds or not over there. And looks like the walnut tree is really bare right now. Anyway, I'm sure there'll be more snowfall later this year. So far we've had a little bit on Halloween, and we had it this year again on Veterans Day, so it looks like it's going on the holidays right now. So maybe our next one will be on Thanksgiving Day. Well, we'll see. Anyway, enjoy the snowstorm while you can.